Everybody wants the photo. Few want the climb. We live in a time where outcomes are advertised more than the processes. We see the graduation picture. We don't see the years of studying. We see the marriage pictures. We don't see the compromises. We see the muscles. We don't see the repetitions. We see the harvest. We don't see the seasons. We see the court judgment. We don't see the years of documents, waiting, truth, stress, and uncertainty. Modern life teaches people to desire outcomes while avoiding consequences. But the reality does not work like that. Every choice arrives carrying something behind it. The mountain arrives with the climb. The fruit arrives with the tree. The tree arrives with roots. And roots live in darkness before fruit appears in sunlight. That is why Brapita says, Jewe Phoso, we feleletse. Phoso, ga e jewe di half. If you choose something, choose everything that comes with it. If you choose business, choose uncertainty. If you choose love, choose vulnerability. If you choose children, choose responsibility. If you choose truth, choose discomfort. If you choose rest, choose stillness. The last one surprised me. One day, I decided I wanted to rest. Not perform rest. Not scroll while resting. Not think while resting. Real rest. I put my phone down. After 5 minutes, my mind wanted to work. After 10 minutes, it wanted to create content. After 15 minutes, it wanted to solve problems. Then I remembered, Jewe Phoso, we feleletse. If I choose rest, I must finish eating the rest. That is a struggle many of us are facing. We want the outcome without the process. We want peace without silence. We want strength without repetition. We want wisdom without observation. We want fruit without roots. But nature itself teaches differently. A fruit becomes sweet because it wants to move. A tree stands through storms before the fruit appears. Roots work in darkness for years without applause. Even the sun rises every day without recognition. Discipline is not punishment. Discipline is staying with the reality you chose. That is why many people suffer today. Not because life is unfair, but because they keep choosing things whose consequences they do not want to carry. We choose lifestyles we cannot sustain. We choose relationships we do not nurture. We choose distractions and complain about confusion. We choose movement and refuse fatigue. We choose mountains and reject climbing. Brapita says, the biggest problem is not intelligence, it is commitment. Even rest now requires commitment. Even silence requires commitment. Even presence requires commitment. To sit without touching the phone has become a struggle. To walk without distraction has become a struggle. To be alone with your own thoughts has become a struggle. Yet, this is where many truths live. In stillness, in repetition, in finishing what you chose. This is why the proverb remains alive. Ge o ja phoso, o e feleletse. Neither purpose, nor truth, nor life can be eaten in halves. Everything must be eaten whole. A leboge Ramasedi. We give thanks to the Most High. Danke san.